Sponsored by McCams, getting you back on two wheels when it wasn't your fault.
So here we are on the new 1290 Super Duke R from KTM. They call it the Beast, and all I got is this thing has got torque beyond torque. So we're coming out now, 140 kilometers an hour. Going to come onto the start finish straight just over this crest in fourth gear. Watch what happens. Straight up. Yeah! Oh, haul him up on the brakes. Pitch him into turn one, fourth gear. Run through. And just, you feel like you can run a gear higher every single turn. Just run it a little higher in the gear and just ride that wave of torque out of the turn. This one I'm riding now. There we go, third. Oh! You just ride that torque out of the turn, pitch him in, and the thing just rips away. This one I'm riding is the Super Stock prepared bike. There's a little sharper, a little pointier. And boy is it a lot of fun to ride. Oh mama. Like second gear is redundant. It's just got so much torque. You just put him in third and off she goes. Let's have a little ride behind my old mate Boothie here. Fifth gear, the whole start finish straight on the back wheel in fifth gear. This thing is bonkers. Oh my days. Gonna come out of here in third, and we just put it up on the back wheel. Fourth again, she's lifted. What a bike. This thing is glorious to ride. What a joy. I'm going to try this hairpin in third. Look at that, light low in the revs. Just drop. Oh my god. I don't even know why they fitted first and second gear to this thing. Awkward little off camber corner here over the rise. Right, so I'm pinned in fifth now. That's fifth. What a bike. Oh my goodness, what a bike. Oh. That thing's fucking awesome. Thanks man.